Good evening, family. Welcome to Rex on Wheels. Well, today is going to be a special video. I'm going to get a bike. I'm going to buy a bike. Guess what bike it is? Just list in the comment section. I'll see who actually gives the correct answer. So, yeah, let's catch on the way and reveal what bike it is.
Let's go ahead for the bike. I know बहुत लेट हो गया आज. Can't help it. अभी बुलाया and after कल परसों will be very busy. और एक तो नया vlog आने वाला है. That's even a kind of a secret. A good journey somewhere. We'll be updating soon. So yeah, stay tuned on Rexton Wheels. The evening view of ITC Sonar Bangla. Looks good, but शाम का टाइम भाई साहब इधर में बहुत जाम रहता है. The road going towards Kestopur. So we are almost reaching the place.
I always wanted this, but it's too heavy. So still take a wild guess which bike is going to be. Nothing can beat the weight of Dominar. Very heavy. So heavy. What to do? So this is the beast finally that I bought. Now we'll say the rest about the reason why I chose this color and why this bike. So this is going to be the first start of my Ns400. ठीक है. First ride of the Ns400. Let's see how it goes. That is power. Yes. और आप if you can see, I don't know, meter error दिखा रहा है.
पहला दिन से ही प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो गया क्या? Showing ABS scan error, meters not showing anything. खैर सर्विस सेंटर लेके जाना पड़ेगा. Anyways, overall the bike really feels very nice, very punchy, very zippy. It's a very nice bike. Throttle response is just amazing. I'm sure after the first service, second service, it's going to be more smooth, better. I know a lot of you will think why I chose red. Red is a good color, it's okay. Iska upar I'm going to do a matte finishing PPF.
Hello guys. So yeah, I wanted to speak about the bike a little bit. My experience since the day I bought the bike till now, I've ridden the bike for almost a week, you say, because in between I went somewhere. That vlog will even be uploaded very soon, where I went and for what reason. Coming back to the bike, so it's an amazing bike. 400cc, it's got power. Everything is very nice about the bike. Especially about this bike, what I felt was really terrific was the throttle response on sports mode as well as on road mode. But the sports mode gives you that punch, that instant raw power. As they say, it's based on the Gen 2 or Gen 2 KTM 390's engine. So it's a very powerful bike. Mileage is pretty low right now. It's giving around 19 to 20. Obviously it's a new bike, it will take time to settle down. The engine is tight, feels a bit rough, but over time I'm sure it's going to be much more smoother. So there are some people claiming that it's giving around more than 28. What the company actually claims it's giving around 28 kmpl. I've seen some videos, actually some guys are saying it's giving around 30, 31, 32 like that. So if it's so for a 400cc 40 horsepower bike, it's amazing. So the brake, people, I've seen a lot of videos on the Ns400Z. People are saying that the brakes are not that great. I understand there's some kind of a cost cutting here because they changed the calipers from Vibray to the new one right now that they're using. So yeah, you find a little bit differences there, but while riding the bike, I'm sure you'll get used to that kind of a brake. It's not bad at all. I wouldn't say it's a bad braking system. It's really nice. You have to just get used to it. Another point I wanted to state in the video, the first day when I took out the bike from the showroom, I saw that the meter is not working, and I mentioned that in the video as well. Actually the problem was those guys forgot to put the fuse, the main fuse that actually controls the meter and ABS and all the riding modes and everything. So yeah, I called the showroom guys. He's told me what to do, so I did it manually. I took out the seat. Under the seat there was the fuse junction. From there I had to take out a fuse and put it. So I don't remember the number of the fuse and all that, but yeah, I did it. So it started working. Now everything is working completely fine. Yeah, what things I didn't like about the bike is they should have given at least 150 section tires. Come on, KTM Duke 250 is even given 150 section tires at the back. So NS should have given. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change the back tire, rear tire very soon. I want to put the 150 section ka tire. Yes, actually I was on for the Dominar. I really liked the Dominar, especially the green one. There are two reasons why I now bought the Dominar. Firstly, my dad even rides the bike, and Dominar's pretty heavy, 190 kg bike. So it would have been difficult for him. He would have ridden it, but it's not that easy to control that bike, and especially during traffic hours in Calcutta. Yeah, so that's the reason why I now bought the Dominar. Second reason is I felt that this bike has got more features like traction control, there's that sports mode and all the riding modes. So that's the only reason I chose the Ns400, yeah, because of its lightweight. It's zippy, it's fast, it's got the Dominar's engine as well. Everything is good about it. Looks made, they should have worked on the bike. For a 400cc bike, it should have been a bit more broader, what I feel. But still, it's fine. as long as, like, you know, you sit on the bike and while riding it you have that smile on your face. Yeah, that actually gave me a smile on my face because of the throttle response, especially of the bike. Yeah, coming towards the pricing, I paid around 2,40,000 for the bike. And if you guys want to take it on EMI, I bought this bike from Calcutta, Keshtapur area. They have there's a, it's not a sale basically. Like, the bank is actually offering a lower interest rate, 7% interest rate, 7 or 6.5% interest rate on the loan that you'll get for the bike, and minimum down payment is 40% as per what they have told me. So yeah, I think it's a good deal. Even as further, like, as I get used to the bike, as I explore more places, obviously you guys are going to be with me, so y'all will even get to know more about the bike as well as me. So let's see where my next journey, my actually first journey, goes. I'm waiting for the kilometers to cross over 2000, then I'll think of a ride, a long ride somewhere, because right now the engine is new. I don't want to take that risk. Another thing, I want to do a mileage test on the bike. As per my experience, I know the bike is giving around 19 to 20, but I want to do it without the meter reading. So let's see how accurate the meter is as well. I will do one mileage test before the first service, and I will do the second one after the first service. So let's see what difference does it make. And yeah, further down, obviously, when I'll be going for rides and stuff, I will update you guys how much the bike is actually giving after second, third, fourth service, and after the bike becomes more smoother, I'm sure. So yeah, let's not pull the video any longer, so keep it till here. Guys, a lot of you are watching my videos, but none of them are subscribing. Please do subscribe to those. That will encourage me more to make new contents and new videos for you guys. So I hope you just like, share and subscribe to my channel, Rexter on Wheels. So thank you guys, have a nice day.